Hello YouTube and welcome back to Every Tech Time. So today we're going to do a video tutorial on how to create C# programs in Microsoft Visual Studio. So yes, this is my first tutorial on these type of software ones, such as integrated development environments like Visual Studio. So this time we're going to do how to create C# programs. So let's get started. So first you're going to go to File, then select New, and then Project, and then go to Visual C#, and then we're going to select Console App .NET Framework. We're going to call it Console App 1, and then we're going to click OK. Okay, so we're just going to erase all this since it's not needed. And now we're going to type 2 slashes capital A Hello World space program in C#, period. Press enter, and we're going to type using system semicolon. And then press enter again, and then type namespace hello world. And this time when we type hello world, it's going to be one word, but the W in world is capitalized. Press enter, and then we're going to do this key right here. Press enter 2 times, and we're going to type class hello. Enter, backspace, this key again, press enter 2 times, or is it 1 time? One. Yes, that's right. Hold on, I'm just fixing this. Okay, press enter right there, and then we're going to type static void main 2 parentheses colon. Press enter, then enter again and press tab. We're going to type console.writeline parentheses hello world in quotation marks and then a semicolon. And then press enter 2 times and 2 times, and then right there we're going to type 2 slashes keep the console window open in debug mode, period. and then press enter. Console.WriteLine, parentheses, quotation marks, and then we're going to type press any key to exit. Press enter, and then we're going to type console.readKey, 2 parentheses, semicolon. And we're going to press enter again, backspace, and now we're going to do this key on the right. This here again. Whoops. There it goes. And there's your C# program. Okay, so now we're going to click start. Hold on, it's just waiting. And then there it is. Hello world, press any key to exit. So we're going to press any key, and then there. Alright, so that's how you create C# programs in Microsoft Visual Studio. So if you found this video helpful, then you can like this video, comment down below to share your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech videos. That said, this is Every Tech Time, and I'll see you in the next video.